San Mayor United Methodist Church in the Philippines conducts a monthly feeding program called Libreng Agahan sa Simbahan, which means free breakfast at church. San Mayor UMC's admin pastor, Reverend Maritas Cruz, shared that this ministry aimed to address physical and spiritual hunger.
Yung mga tao, pinapapasok namin sa loob ng simbahan at doon ay nagkakaroon kami ng informal service kung saan may mga praise songs at may sharing ng Word of God at may prayers.
According to Outreach Chairperson Dr. Jaime Mendoza, free breakfast at church started during the pandemic, initially only for tricycle drivers on 7th Avenue in Caloocan, until the program gradually expanded.
Sa simula, 6 na po after mga ilang months, paunti ng paunti ay nagdagdag kami ng aming binibigay sa mga tao rito. Kaya nasama na rin yung mga dumadaan dito, nagbibigay na rin kami, hindi lang sa tricycle drivers.
They serve a variety of food to the recipients along with free second-hand clothes.
Yung aming ibinibigay ay hindi lang lugaw, na may kasamang itlog, may kasamang pandesal, may kasamang otap. Nagbibigay din kami ng taho sa aming mga recipients. At meron din kaming mga libreng damit, hindi namin binibenta kundi mga second-hand clothes na pinapamigay din namin sa mga recipients namin sa Libreng Agahan.
He added that they estimate to distribute to 300 people through the combined efforts of their volunteers. He also shared how the program has had a profound impact because of the testimonies of the recipients.
Noong una, itong aming mga recipients na ito ay hindi pumapasok sa loob ng church. Pero ngayon, after ilang years, sila na mismo nagkukusang pumasok, before 7 o'clock nandiyan na sila sa loob.
According to Nicole Homeras, one of the recipients of free breakfast, the church provides great assistance, especially in addressing their essential needs.
Maganda po yung ganitong ginagawa nila dahil nakaka-encourage po sila ng ibang tao na makinig ng salita ng Diyos at marami pong natututunan. Bukod po doon is nakakatulong pa po sila dahil nakakapagbigay po sila ng simple things, ukay, damit, and lalo na po sa mga pagkain.
Clarito Perez, witness chairperson, said that they will continue the program and hopefully expand to other places.
God willing, we'll make it more frequent. Saka hindi lang siguro dito gagawin, baka pupunta pa kami sa ibang lugar kung makakaya namin. Funds available, saka kung may mga volunteers na kailangan din namin.
On the other hand, Cynthia Jacinto, Witness co-chairperson, declared that the Witness and Outreach Committee are serious about serving and following in the footsteps of the Lord. She further said that their desire is to let them experience the love of God through this kind of ministries.
We are hoping to reach as many people as possible kasi yun naman talaga yung trabaho ng church, to make disciples of all nations. If they won't go to church, we will bring the church to them. And we just want to share them God's love. We just want to tell them that there is hope in the midst of hopelessness. And when you have God, kahit marami kang problema, you can pull through because God will pull you through.
Free breakfast at church is done every second Saturday of the month and has been going on for over 4 years. The expenses for this come from the donations of the members, a testament to their unwavering desire to serve and love their neighbors.